Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we got something a little different, kinda. It's not a full-blown recipe from scratch. We're going to be growing up some burgers, turkey burgers to be exact, and we're going to use the Weber Flavor Infuser seasoning packs, and we're going to put a little twist on it too. But if you want to find out what we got going, stick around and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, here's what we got going on. This is the seasoning we're going to be using. This is the Weber Burger Infusion. This is the Roadhouse Burger. That's the name of the seasoning mix, or the style or the seasoning mix. Now I have used this in beef before, but you know, trying to eat a little healthier, so we're going to try it with some turkey, ground turkey. Get this turkey tube all opened up here. Yummy. Walgo turkey. Alright, now this is 3 pounds of turkey, ground turkey. The seasoning pack says to use 2 pounds. When I used the beef, or when I did the beef, I did the 2 pounds. It was good. You could taste it, but we're going to put 2 packs in here just to give it a little extra seasoning, a little bolder flavoring. So this is, you know, basically pretty basic on how to do this. You know, mix it up, you know, add your seasoning and get your hands in there and get everything all mixed up. So alright, this does have a good smoky flavor smoky flavor, but you can smell it when you start getting everything mixed in there. You can smell that smoke or smoky-ish flavor, or scent. There it is. Not smell. You can't smell a flavor. Well, maybe you can, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna get this mixed up, and when we get it all done, we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, now that we got all that seasoning mixed in there, we're going to move on. I'm going to take maybe half of it. Yeah, about half of it. Put in this other bowl here. We're going to add some cheddar. This is just some little cubed up cheddar that I did up. And some bacon. Yeah, we want it really bacony. Alright. And we're just going to hindsight, I probably should have put it in that bowl. But anyways, that bowl. Anyway, just mix this up. Get that all mixed in there. And that way we'll have bacon cheddar burgers. And we'll have just regular burgers. You know, I'm the one that's eating them, so I don't care if somebody don't like bacon cheddar, because they're for me. Alright, looks like that's pretty well evenly distributed. There we go. And now I'm just going to cover these with plastic, and I'm going to let them sit in the fridge, or maybe at room temperature, for about an hour. Let that seasoning get all infused in there, and then we're going to take them out and we're going to grill them. So, all right, we'll bring you guys back. I don't know if I'll video us grilling them, but we will show you the end result if nothing else. Alright, y'all, time for our taste test, hot off the grill. We're going to start out with one of the just regular no cheese and bacon. So y'all, I like that better than having the beef. That you could taste the turkey, but that flavor infusion, wow, that makes that really good. Only thing is, I probably put a binder in it. Turkey kind of like wants to break apart a little bit, but not a big deal. So, all right, here's a cheddar, one of the cheddar bacon ones. Y'all, wow, I like that better than the other ones, honestly. That little bit of bacony flavor in there, that cheddar cheese, woo, that is awesome, y'all. I love it. So there you have it, flavor infused turkey burgers. A little healthy, great taste. So awesome. Hope you all are going to try it. If you like this recipe, leave a comment down there in the comment section. Let me know if you got any suggestions for anything you want me to see me try. Leave that down there too, and if you would please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, seeing it for the first time, my name's Ed. I do garden tractor pulling, small engine repairs, all kinds of mechanical stuff, and I do some cooking too. But ring that bell, get the notifications so you can check out everything we do here. So appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.